Smoking is harmful to health and we all know that. For some, it is quite difficult to break this habit. Nicotine is the major cause of a rapid increase of the blood pressure and serious damage to the lungs. But don't worry, we got you covered. Here at Healthier Everyday, we provide you with the best tips to improve your health and overall well-being. Now let's get straight to the point. Let's see the best foods that can cleanse your lungs. Number 1. Broccoli. It is rich in vitamin C and B5. Smoking reduces the levels of vitamin C in the body. Eat more broccoli to eliminate the nicotine from your organism. Also, eating high amounts of cruciferous vegetables has been associated with a lower risk of cancer, namely lung and colon cancer. Other easily recognized cruciferous vegetables include cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, kale, turnips and cabbage, as well as the lesser-known arugula, daikon, kohlrabi and watercress. Number 2. Oranges. Orange juice is rich in vitamin C. Regular consumption of oranges will boost your metabolism and relieve stress. It also helps in maintaining a low sodium intake is essential to lowering blood pressure. However, increasing potassium intake may be just as important because of its vasodilation effects. The antioxidant vitamin C, when eaten in its natural form, as in an orange or applied topically, can help to fight skin damage caused by the sun and pollution, reduce wrinkles and improve overall skin texture. Vitamin C plays a vital role in the formation of collagen, the support system of your skin. Number 3. Carrots. If you smoke, then you should know that every time you light a cigarette the nicotine remains in your body for 3 days. Nicotine also damages your skin. Carrot juice is good for the skin, and it's rich in vitamins A, C, K and B that are proven to be efficient in removing the nicotine from the body. Overconsumption of vitamin A can be toxic to humans, but is unlikely to be achieved through diet alone. Most vitamin overconsumption occurs by supplementation. Overconsumption of carotene may cause a slight orange tinge in skin color, but is not harmful to health. Number 4. Spinach. Spinach is one of the healthiest vegetables because it is not only rich in vitamins, but also contains large amounts of folic acid. Spinach and other green vegetables contain chlorophyll, which is shown to be effective at blocking the carcinogenic effects of heterocyclic amines, which are generated when grilling foods at a high temperature. It has high potassium content. Spinach is recommended to those with high blood pressure to negate the effects of sodium in the body. A low potassium intake may be just as big of a risk factor in developing high blood pressure as a high sodium intake. Number 5. Kiwi fruit. This miracle fruit will help you eliminate the nicotine from your body. Kiwi fruit is a rich source of vitamins A, C and E. When you smoke, the levels of these vitamins reduce. Inositol is found in kiwi fruit. Recent studies have shown that inositol, because of its function as a precursor of an intracellular second messenger system, can be beneficial in the treatment of depression. The benefit of this laxative action which occurs, as in when you eat kiwi, is to decrease the buildup of cancer-promoting metabolites. Also, kiwi has chlorophyll, which is helpful in cleansing one's liver. Number 6. Water. Smoking dehydrates your body. Water is critical for the human body to function properly. It makes up 2/3 of our body weight, and every cell and organ depends on it. Without water, a person would die within just a few days. When we quit smoking, water eases several of the discomforts associated with nicotine withdrawal, constipation, coughing, hunger, urge to eat and cravings to smoke. Water also helps flush residual nicotine out of the body, and by keeping yourself well hydrated, you'll feel better overall. Water also cleanses your skin. I can bet you never thought it was that easy. How many cigarettes you're smoking each day? Leave a comment down below. Also, please let me know what kind of videos I should produce next. If you want to find out more about how you can be more healthy, please check out our playlist. If you like this video, please make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps me a lot. Until next time, stay healthy.